Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain about how to fix it Firestick getting slow. Have you noticed your Firestick has become slow? If your answer is yes, don't worry, you are not only the one. Firestick device may be the one of the best in the streaming business, but they are far in the perfect and can experience lags and glitches. Fortunately, most of the problem can be fixed in a few steps. For this, first of all, I am going to explain the restart the device. Please keep watching this video. I'll explain the step-by-step process. For the first method is restart the device. Sometimes the Firestick could be experiencing a temporary glitch that affects its performance. You can usually resolve this by restarting the device. Follow the instruction. For the first first step is press the gear icon to access settings. Go to My Fire TV. Choose restart. Wait a few minutes and then check whether your device is working properly. Next method is switch to a different Wi-Fi network. The Firestick needs the fast internet connection to load content. If your connection is slow, the device won't work correctly. It's the best to switch to faster Wi-Fi network to ensure smooth performance. For this, first step is select the gear icon to the go to settings. Choose network. Select the network you wish to switch to. Another method that is called clear cache. Firestick device have a limited amount of storage. If you are running low on it, you may notice performance issues. One way to free up some spaces without deleting apps is to clear the cache. Follow the instructions. For the first step is press the gear icon to access the settings. Select applications. Choose manage installed applications. Select an app and press clear cache. Repeat the steps for the most frequently used apps and you will be able to free up a significant amount of space. For the another method that is called uninstall some apps. Not having enough storage can lead to lags and overheating. If you want to free up some space, the best and quickest way to uninstall the apps you don't use, check out the steps, make sure some space. For the first step is select the gear icon to launch the settings. Choose applications. Press manage installed applications. Choose the app you wish to remove and select uninstall. Repeat the steps for the other apps you don't need. Now another method that is called force stop unused apps. Sometimes you may stumble upon an app that can't be uninstalled, or you might be to keep an even though that you don't use it very often. If you want to stop such apps from running the background, you can use the force stop option. Here is the how to do. I will explain. For this, first step is access the settings menu by selecting the gear icon. Select applications. Go to manage installed applications. Select the app you want to prevent from working in the background and press force stop. Another method that is called update the software. For this, first step is launch the settings menu by pressing the gear icon. Go My Fire TV. Choose about. Press install update. Wait a few minutes until the latest software version is downloaded to your device. Another method that is called turn off data monitoring. For this, first step is access the settings menu. Go to preferences. Press data monitoring. Select data monitoring to disable this option. You should see off written below it. Now I explain disable automatic updates. Here is how to disable automatic updates on your Firestick device. For the first step is launch your Firestick device. Go to the home screen. Select the gear icon to access the settings. Choose applications. Select App Store. Press automatic updates to disable this option. Once you disable this, you should see off written below automatic updates. Now here I am explaining disable app notifications. If you want to disable app notifications altogether, here is what you can need to do it. For the first step is access the settings menu. Go to the preferences. Choose notification settings. Press do not interrupt. If you want to customize the notification settings for each app, follow the steps. For the first step is go to the settings menu and choose performances. Select notification settings. Press app notifications.